You will learn how to add checkboxes or to-do list in Google Docs. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser. Visit docs.google.com. If you are prompted to sign in, please do so. You can see the web link here. Once the page opens, select blank document, so I will type few things inside this document. Okay, here I have two questions here. So let's say I want to fill in checkbox under, all right, checkboxes. So what you need to do is to get to where you want the checkbox to be in the document. So here I will press enter to jump the next line. Now what you need to do next is look at the checkbox icon here, click on it. You can see it has been added. So once it's added, don't press enter, because when you press enter, this checkbox will go. So click under the document, all right, where you want to have the second checkbox, and then click on the checkbox icon again. You can see it has been added. So here I will click here and I will have it as yes. All right, so then I'll have this one as no. So the person that's going to answer this question is going to choose between this or this. Then the second one says, have you met a successful content creator? I will click here, press enter, and then I'll click on this checkbox for it to be added. Then I'll click on that and click on this checkbox for another one to be added. So I will have yes here, and I will click here and I will have no. All right, so make sure that the cursor is blinking before you type. Let's say I have an answer here, maybe I'm the one answering. I'll click on this. You can see it has been struck true, meaning that I have answered this. Or maybe have you met a successful content creator? I will say yes. I'll click on the checkbox. It will be struck true. But if you want it to remain the way it was before, click on it again. The check we go. The same thing applies to for checklist. Follow the same way you do that. Okay, to-do list, sorry, is the same process. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you some other time.